12/21/2020, S&P 500 will tank. It was the most ridiculous pump and dump I've ever seen in my life. Believe me, it was all done by algorithms. Oh, yeah. Now it'll drop a good 60, 70 points off of the high and shake these buyers out from an overbought algorithm driven event. There are new coronavirus cases around the world, a new strain of coronavirus. You can catch it 70 times faster than the previous COVID. So now, around the world, all you people at your little Robinhood freak trading accounts buying a freaking half a share of a freaking stock or one share of a stock and bidding it up, what a gimmick. That company is under investigation by what? The Securities and Exchange Commission. They pump and dump their clients. There will be margin calls coming with this correction. This summer rally, we called it, that we had in August. Well, I can tell you what, you had a 3 or 4 day rally here. Yeah, who bought it? It was being pumped by algorithms, man, called machines. All right? And they pumped it and pumped it. Humans could never be that correct. And everything is extremely as overbought as one could get. And this is just the beginning and the beginning of the day of reckoning coming in 2021. And the house of pain and the volatility. Oh, yeah, you heard me. It's coming. Oh, yes, it is. Dow futures are down right now, 400. They were down 600. NASDAQ 100, the most overbought tech damn index I've ever seen. Oh, yeah, that correction is coming. Oh, yeah. Sell the tech, buy the Joe Biden stocks. Anyway, listen, we're overbought. There are a lot of issues about pumping stocks with machines and then sucking the little guys in up at the high and then they get killed. I have no sympathy about Robinhood trading account freaks that have no experience at all in what they're doing. And this whole thing need to be shut down by the Securities and Exchange Commission and to stop all this clowning around, stop violating federal laws and security laws, and stop doing the clown crap that they've been doing over there. And not only that, the day of reckoning will come down hard in the coming months in 2021. Oh, yes, it will. And the little stimulus package, they're sending out checks to people that don't even need it. And they don't. Most Americans are working. And all this bull crap about the media trying to make this worse than what it is? No, 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 no. Lie. Nothing but lies. This economy, there's nothing wrong with it. The only thing about this economy moving forward under Biden, it will. Good 10,000 points on the Dow coming down in calendar 2021 and calendar 2022. And you people that get out there on margin debt, you're going to get taken to the woodshed. I gave you a warning, and I said that volatility was coming. And I told you it was the machines walking these markets higher. Now you need to pay the price. Every last one of you. I have no sympathy whatsoever about what? Irrational exuberance. Is that a word you don't like to hear? Because that's what's been going on. At its highest levels that I've ever seen it. You got the unemployment. New claims came in on Friday. You had your rebalancing. They rebalanced it. They take these machines walk these indexes to Bolivia, creating 100% overbought. Yeah. 99% overbought on indexes. And the rut, I took shorts on that. I took shorts on the S&P. I took shorts on individual stocks. Still holding short Google. Still holding short Google. I will be featuring a stock today that was the biggest pump and dump stock I've ever seen. The symbol SHOP. It was an algorithm that walked that thing up day after day last week. There is no good news. Consumers are spending less. The only good stock out here, that it's only down $17. But the Google plays, oh yeah, our 1850 puts that we're holding out till January, yeah, they're paying. Yeah, they pumped that up, pumped it and pumped it and pumped it. I guess what? They got big, big antitrust coming. And the headlines came out. They're starting it, and you got a bunch of other attorney generals. I have no sympathy for that company. I have no sympathy for a publicly traded company like Google. They totally destroy the little guys on search. They can't find their websites. Their businesses don't get found. Nothing gets found because these clowns have been able to get away with just cheating society. I have no sympathy. The stock is still overpriced. It's down $130 off of the highs that they pumped it. Pumped it, pumped it, pumped it, pumped the Teslas of the world. Hey, you know what, man? That EV market is going to be so saturated in coming years, and you can get the bull case. The bull case says, oh, it's got to go up every single day out of the year. Stock markets can never pull back. Hey, it's all algorithm, and the day of reckoning and that volatility is going to do what I said. And I'm not wrong. And I know I'm not. You are wrong. I am not. And you know what? You're watching the video. You don't do nothing about it. I told you about selling to the rallies. It's right here. And what a chump rally it was. You people are a joke, man. These were machines that drove these markets day in and day out. Humans can never be that accurate mathematically, and humans can never be all at the same place at the same time with such accuracy. It just doesn't happen math wise, and it never will. All I know is that this tech sector is going to come down, and it's going to come down harder than it went up. It's not so much a day as of this moment, but it will be forward looking, as I have always said and always will. I will not be wrong. I always take the other side of irrational exuberance, pundits, and all alike. When you bid them up by machines, it wasn't people doing that. Of course, you people watching the video, you ain't going to know it. You don't come from that background. You don't come from where I come from. You're a trader that sits there looking at his damn machine, wondering, should I buy it or shouldn't I buy it? Well, you know what, man? I ain't got no sympathy for not one of you irrational exuberants. You get taken to the woodshed, you deserve it. You were told to sell into these rallies if you were watching what I said, and if you didn't, this is just the beginning. Your little bullcrap stimulus packages for 4 months. Oh, yeah, they want to come out and try to give you a stimulus package that's not even needed just to put this country what? In more debt, and more debt, and more debt. And raising taxes is going to be the future, and raising taxes in every state. Raising taxes, tax your way out of bad governing. Governors don't know how to run the state. They don't. And this is just going to be the beginning. And it is. And, oh, yeah, they'll still keep using the algos. Don't get me wrong. But at some point, outside of today's big correction that's around the corner, is that there's going to be a lot more downside into 2021 under Mr. Biden. And every one of you will remember the videos that I have posted because I'll throw them right back in front of your face. Now, get in the free 5-day trial and make money moving forward in calendar 2021. You want to get paid? Then take responsibility, get your butt in here, and let's get rolling right now.